Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Mona and you're watching my YouTube channel Mona's Beauty Reviews. So recently I was shopping at Zara, and whenever I shop at Zara, I don't forget to check out their perfumes. I check out if new perfume has been launched or not, and if there is offer going on and stuff like that. And this time when I was Zara and I observed this beautiful packaging, it was standing out a lot in the shelf. This is the packaging, and the moment I saw it, I knew that I have to grab this. It was looking so beautiful. Trust me guys, it was kind of standing out and was looking most attractive out of all the packaging which was there in the Zara outlet. So this is a combination combo pack of their best selling fragrances, that is Gardenia and Orchid. Both of these are best sellers from Zara, and this is a combo pack which contains 30 ml bottle of each of this, and the price is 990 rupees. I did not get any discount on this, and actually this is a discounted price because if you buy 30 ml of Orchid and Gardenia separately, each one of this would cost you about 800 rupees, 750 rupees, which comes for up to 1500 rupees, but here you are paying 990 rupees. So already this is discounted, and the moment I saw this, I grabbed it because I knew that I'm saving a lot of money. And apart from this, these two are best sellers and amazing fragrances. I have used Gardenia before, and yeah, it was a great offer. So before going into the in-depth review, I would like to say that if you go to Zara and if you find this combo offer, don't forget to pick this up because you will not regret this. This combo is worth every single penny. Both of these are wonderful fragrances, and I said bestsellers from Zara, and the price is great. Okay, so let's go into the review now. Both Gardenia and Orchid are floral fragrances. That is why in the packaging you can see there are floral diagrams, floral pictures all around. And let me open this and show you how this both look. So one is in pink and one is in purple. So this container contains two, and let me also take it out. This is the first time I actually tried Orchid. Gardenia I have tried before, and this is my second bottle actually. And you can see I have used this much from both of these perfumes. So Gardenia is mauve purple and Orchid is baby pink. So starting with Gardenia first, and one more thing, if you have noticed that today my nail polish is matching very well with both of these perfumes. It is a coincidence, I didn't plan it, but yeah, it's actually looking very pretty. So talking about Gardenia, first I would like to mention is that I heard and people are saying that Gardenia is a 100% dupe of YSL Black Opium. I myself do not own a YSL Black Opium, and I haven't got the chance to smell it at the stores as well, but it is very well known that it is a 100% dupe of Black Opium. So let's go by people's words. I don't know if you have tried Black Opium and if you're looking for a cheaper option or dupe for it, then you can go ahead and try Gardenia. Top notes of Gardenia is it is definitely a floral, feminine and super sexy fragrance. Gardenia is a super sexy fragrance. It has notes of coffee, vanilla and orange. That is what is mentioned in the internet. I am not getting orange from here, but I'm definitely getting vanilla, coffee and lots of floral notes inside this. This is a very addictive fragrance, very appropriate for parties, for dates and anything which is in the evening. Okay, and the moment you smell it, oh my god, it's such a sexy, such a seductive fragrance. And also very yummy, I would say. It's a beautiful fragrance, beautiful combination of a lot of notes, as I said earlier, and the moment you'll wear it on yourself, you will keep sniffing yourself. It's such a beautiful, gorgeous fragrance. That is why it is one of the best sellers from Zara, and I definitely recommend every one of you to try this at least once. The only down part is that this is not long staying perfume. The Zara perfumes are not long staying perfumes, though these are EDP, which is supposed to be the highest concentration of perfumes, but it doesn't last long. Obviously you're not paying as much as you pay for the high-end perfumes, but still I would say that it should have lasted for about 4 to 5 hours, but it doesn't do that. It lasts for about 2 hours on myself, and if you are sweating, you would probably expect a wear time of 1.5 hours to maximum 2 hours. Any Zara perfume in that matter you need to always carry with yourself, because these are not long lasting perfumes, but these are amazing quality perfumes, I would say, and very beautiful fragrances also. Okay, now moving on to Orchid. Orchid is also a floral fragrance. This is definitely a fresh fragrance. Gardenia is not a fresh fragrance. It is more of a nighttime sexy date kind of a perfume, but this one is something that you can go to office with. It has fragrances of rose in it, and a lot of other notes which I am not sure of, but this is a very refreshing fresh kind of a fragrance, and also this is in the milder zones. Unlike Gardenia is little bit on the stronger sides, not very strong, not like something that will bother your head, but this is much more milder compared to Gardenia, and a very very fresh perfume. So I would suggest that you can wear it during the daytime and during the afternoon time, and when the sun sets you can go for Gardenia. And super good quality and super beautiful fragrances, but the only down part is that these doesn't stay long, so do not forget to carry this in your purse if you're wearing these. Zara perfumes are actually dupes of, or most of them are dupes of high-end perfumes, but on its own this is a very beautiful fragrance. And if you're looking for something which is fresh, which has rose notes in it, and which is also different, it's a very different kind of fragrance. I do not have perfume from any other brands which smells like Orchid or Gardenia. You can actually go ahead and try this. And in Zara they have different bottle sizes. The first one is 30, then it's 90, and the maximum one is I think 150 ml or 120 ml. So you can go ahead and try this. The minimum price is the 30 ml is 750 rupees, and then moves on to 1200 and 1500. So both of these are very nice perfumes, and you can definitely give it a shot, and I can bet you that you will not regret spending penny on either of these perfumes. That's all the review about these fragrances. If you see this combo, I don't know it's any longer available in Zara or not. I bought this about 2 months back. If you find this packaging in Zara, do not miss to pick it up, as I said earlier in the beginning of the video as well. Thank you for watching my video. I do content on makeup and body care, skincare and perfumes. If you're interested, please subscribe to my channel, and if you like my work, please subscribe to my channel and hit this like button if you like this video in particular. Thank you for watching. See you soon in another video. Bye.